Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to exit Fastboot mode on this device in case if you entered Fastboot mode on purpose or just by accident and you have no idea how to exit this mode. The answer is pretty simple. You just have to hold down power key for about 5 or 10 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted in a few seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.